My name is Carl Eberts. I'm the product category manager for golf irrigation with Hunter Industries, and we're excited to be showcasing our latest technology at the 2024 conference here in Phoenix. So I'm going to show you a sneak peek of some of the latest features of our Pilot Cloud platform, which is our cloud-based irrigation control system. So I'm going to show you some live demo here of the screen and introduce some of these exciting new features. So on the first, you can see the software is displayed on a browser here. Allows you to use some of these native features like zooming in and out of the screen depending on your screen size and your application. Allows you to pull to a second monitor. So another feature of our Pilot Cloud software is this Partnerships tab. So integrating third-party companies like Pogo to bring their data into our software gives superintendents more insight into what irrigation changes need to be done, how the turf is performing. So once this is set up, Cloud talking to their cloud software, you can come back into the command center, click on one of the stations, and pull that data and associate it with the actual station that's a rotor out in the field. So here you can see green would be optimal, brown would be suboptimal, red would be a pretty critical dry area on that. So with this information, then you can say, okay, I should probably turn up irrigation on this side of the putting green, for example. Along with that as well, have rain and flow capabilities through Data Logger, setting a threshold of how much rain accumulated in 24 hours, automatically shutting off all the irrigation system based on that user-defined threshold. Under settings, we have this Pilot Cloud database backup as well. So the user can set this up, create an account here, single sign-on with the email and password, and then that will actually back up the database and map every 24 hours, giving just that fail-safe if something happened to the computer, it goes down, we can get you back up and running next day. This also lays the foundation for our mobile-friendly interface. So with this browser-based sign-on, I'll show you the latest sneak peek on what our app is going to look like for Pilot Cloud. Once the user's set up their login and password, they can log in on their mobile phone and get this mobile-friendly view of our Pilot Cloud app. So as an example, this is arranged in the same location and management groups as the command center, just pulling that information from the database. So you'd have hole 1, greens, tees, fairways, roughs underneath that. And then for example, in a hub system, you might have 999 stations on a single hub. So this will pull that information, stations. You could select the entire location group or individual stations here. From there, hitting start, easy toggle buttons to decide, put in run times, and then have either a simultaneous or sequential start option. Pressing play to run, and now those stations are running out in the field through our Pilot Cloud system. Another advantage of this is on, say, hole you got, station 296 out there. Don't remember exactly if it's the front left of the green or the front right of the green. Can go into edit station name and add a custom name here. For example, front left. Save that, and now it's really intuitive which station you're choosing for a manual start. So as we're showcasing this to more superintendents and more of our users are bringing this technology online, finding there's really a demand for this integration of using sensor data, weather data, and bringing that all together with their nightly irrigation decisions. So it's become a powerful tool and only see this getting more integrated into the future.